So in this segment we'll learn how to calculate the storage. So you can see this is DVR, and in this DVR there is one hard disk. So this is storage, and this all is DSP, digital processing unit, that will take analog signal as an input, and they will digitalize the signal. So suppose we are going to calculate a hard disk storage, and we have some scenario like we have 4 cameras, 1080 pixel resolution, and 15 fps will be their frame rate. Compression will be H.264. Retention time will be 30 days. So first step we have to take, what is the camera resolution? So camera resolution is 1080p. So we have to check how many pixels will be there inside that resolution. So if you will check, so for this we have 1920 into 1080 pixels, because this is vertical one. So dot dot, so like I will tell you how pixels will be drawn. Like this is like one display. So in display it will like dot 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 dot. You are not seeing pictures like smooth and like dot 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 dot. So this is the dots, like how many. Suppose this complete line is have this complete line have 1920 dots pixels, and this complete line have 1080 pixels. Okay, so if you will multiply, you will get total number of pixels here. So approximately it will come 20,73,600 pixels per frame. Okay, next is bit per pixel, means bit, how many bit will be there in per pixel. So generally for H.264 will have average 0.1 bits per pixel, means one tenth, and for this it will be 50% more or less, like 0.05 bits per pixel. So total bit, how many will be there in complete frame? So we have to multiply it with 0.1. So I will multiply this pixel per frame with 0.01. So it will come approx this like 2,07,360 bit per frame. So it will come approx 2 MB per frame, 0.2 MB per frame. So now we have to learn how Mbps, like bit per second required. So at 15 Mbps we can say 0.2 Mbps into 15, because this is for one frame. Okay, 0.2 MB. This is in bit 2,07,000. If you will convert into MB, it will come 0.2 MB. So this is for one frame, and if you are going to calculate for 15 frame, it will come 3 Mbps bit rate per second. So this is bit. Okay, it's not, you have to remember there is one bit and one is byte, like this. So next one we have to consider, this is in Mbps, like megabit per second. Now we have to change it into Gbps, like GB, how many GB per camera per day. Like one camera will take how many GB if we are recording for complete one day, means 24 hours. So 3 Mbps we are dividing it by 8, because we have to change this 1 byte into 8. 8 bit will be in 1 byte, so 1 bit will be 1 by 8. So we have to divide by 8, and this is total second, hours, 24 hours. It will come approx 32.4 GB per day per camera. Now we have to, this is for one camera and for per day. Now we have to consider for 4 camera and 30 days. So what we'll do, we'll just multiply it with 4 into 30. So it will come approx 3.9 TB, means we can say 4 TB of storage required for H.265, means H.264, sorry, it will require H.264 4 TB. If you are going with H.265, so you just require half of this, because it will reduce 50% storage. So thank you so much guys to watch my videos.